Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete development items on Roblox. First, open your web browser and go to the Roblox Creator dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your experiences and assets. Click on Creations in the left-hand menu. This section displays all the items you've developed, such as models, decals, and audio. Find the particular item you intend to remove from your inventory. Once you've found the item, click on its three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down, select the Archive option. This action doesn't permanently delete the item immediately, but rather moves it to an archived state. Archiving makes the item inactive and removes it from your main creations list, preventing others from seeing or using it. It's a crucial first step before permanent removal. Now, to permanently delete the item, navigate to the Archived tab within your Creator dashboard. Here, you'll see all the items you've previously archived. Locate the specific item you wish to remove forever. Click its three-dot menu again, and this time, select the Delete option. This action will prompt a confirmation message before final removal. A confirmation window will appear, asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete the item. Read the warning carefully, as this action is irreversible. Once confirmed, the item will be completely removed from your Roblox account and cannot be recovered. Always double-check before proceeding with permanent deletion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.